How to fix a broken fuse holder in your car. A faulty fuse holder can lead to numerous electrical issues in your vehicle. This guide will walk you through the process of diagnosing and repairing a broken fuse holder, ensuring your car's electrical system functions properly. Welcome to Auto V Fix, your ultimate YouTube channel for everything automotive. In today's detailed video, we'll be showing you how to fix a broken fuse holder in your car. Understanding fuse holders. Fuse holders are crucial components of your car's electrical system. They house fuses which protect electrical circuits from overload. When a fuse holder breaks, it can cause intermittent electrical problems or complete circuit failure. Diagnosing the issue. Before attempting any repairs, it's essential to accurately diagnose the problem. 1. Visual inspection. Look for signs of damage such as melted plastic, discoloration, or burnt connections. Check for loose or corroded wires. 2. Testing with a multimeter. Set your multimeter to continuity mode. Touch the probes to both ends of the fuse holder. A beep or zero resistance reading indicates good continuity. No beep or infinite resistance suggests a faulty holder. 3. Circuit testing. If the specific circuit isn't working, but the fuse is good, the holder might be the culprit. Tools and materials needed. Replacement fuse holder. Match the original specifications. Screwdriver, set. Wire strippers, multimeter, electrical tape or heat shrink tubing. Soldering iron and solder, optional but recommended. Safety precautions. Always disconnect the car battery before working on electrical components. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from potential sparks. Work in a well-ventilated area, especially if soldering. Step-by-step repair guide. 1. Disconnect the battery. Locate the negative terminal. Use a wrench to loosen the terminal and disconnect it. 2. Locate the fuse box. Refer to your vehicle's manual for the exact location. 3. Remove the broken fuse holder. Carefully unscrew or unclip the holder from its housing. Take a photo or make a diagram of the wiring configuration for reference. 4. Prepare the wires. Cut away any damaged wire sections. Strip about 1 to 2 inches of insulation from the wire ends. 5. Install the new fuse holder. If soldering, tin the wire ends and the holder's terminals before connecting. If not soldering, ensure a secure mechanical connection. Wrap each connection with electrical tape or use heat shrink tubing for insulation. 6. Secure the new holder. Place the new holder in the original position. Fasten it securely using the appropriate method: screws, clips, etc. 7. Reconnect the battery. Reattach the negative terminal to the battery. Ensure a tight connection to prevent electrical issues. 8. Test the repair. Turn on the ignition and test the affected circuit. Preventive maintenance. Regularly inspect your car's fuse box for signs of corrosion or damage. Keep spare fuses and a basic toolkit in your vehicle for emergencies. Consider applying dielectric grease to fuse holder contacts to prevent corrosion. When to seek professional help. While many fuse holder repairs can be DIY projects, complex electrical issues may require professional attention. If you're unsure about any step or encounter unexpected problems, consult a certified automotive electrician. In conclusion, repairing a broken fuse holder is a manageable task with the right knowledge and tools. By following this guide, you can restore your car's electrical system functionality and potentially save on repair costs. And that concludes our comprehensive discussion on how to fix a broken fuse holder in your car. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more in-depth automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, stay cool, stay dry, and happy driving.